When it comes to choosing the right email marketing software for building effective email funnels, you might be wondering MailerLite versus ActiveCampaign, which is better? In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of each so you can make an informed decision, and stick around till the end, because I've got a surprising recommendation that you may not have considered. Let's start with MailerLite. MailerLite is known for being an affordable and easy-to-use option, especially for beginners. It offers a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy to create email campaigns and automations. The drag-and-drop editor is simple and flexible, so you can build email funnels without a steep learning curve. The pricing is another standout feature. MailerLite's free plan covers up to 1,000 subscribers, making it a great choice for smaller businesses or those just getting started with email marketing. Next thing, let's talk about ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one platform with a focus on email marketing automation, and it offers more advanced features than MailerLite. If you're serious about creating complex email funnels, ActiveCampaign is likely the better choice. It has robust automation options, advanced segmentation, and dynamic content, allowing for highly personalized and targeted campaigns. However, ActiveCampaign comes at a higher price point. The basic plan starts at $29 per month, which can be a big jump if you're on a budget. Now, let's dive into some key features that set them apart. When it comes to email funnel creation, MailerLite offers solid automations, but ActiveCampaign is more powerful in this area. ActiveCampaign allows for deeper customization and workflows, including multi-step automations and conditional logic. So, if your email funnels require complex conditions or actions, ActiveCampaign's automation builder is definitely the winner here. Next thing, let's talk integrations. MailerLite supports a variety of third-party integrations, but ActiveCampaign takes it a step further with more advanced integrations, including CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and webinar tools. This can be a game changer if you plan to connect your email funnels with other aspects of your business, like CRM or sales funnels. The fourth thing, deliverability is always an important factor in email marketing. Both MailerLite and ActiveCampaign offer solid deliverability rates, but ActiveCampaign has an edge here. It offers more advanced features like predictive sending and split testing, which can help improve your deliverability and optimize your email funnel performance over time. However, no tool is perfect. While ActiveCampaign has a lot to offer, its interface can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. It's packed with features, but it may take some time to get used to. MailerLite, on the other hand, is incredibly user-friendly, but may lack some of the advanced features you need as you grow your email funnel strategy. When considering pricing, MailerLite is a much more affordable option for those starting out or with smaller lists. ActiveCampaign, while pricier, offers a higher level of customization and support that you might need as your business scales. So, which one is better for email funnels? If you're just getting started and need something affordable and simple, MailerLite might be your best bet. But if you're looking to build more complex, automated funnels with a wide range of integrations and advanced features, ActiveCampaign would likely be a better fit. But here's the twist. While both of these tools are solid options, after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative for creating high-performing email funnels. If you want a tool that gives you the best of both worlds, affordability, simplicity, and advanced functionality, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial to the best platform I've found for email funnels. Through my link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while MailerLite and ActiveCampaign both have their strengths, if you're serious about building an effective email funnel, take advantage of the free trial and see why this platform is my top recommendation.